welcome back to Lance and G. I'm Gianna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy holiday nail designs that are sure to get your nails looking festive for the holidays. In this video, I'm actually going to be using only polishes from Formula X, and it's called Paint the Town. This is their holiday gift set, and I got this from Sephora for $39. And it comes with 22 mini polishes. And it's really the ultimate gift for a Secret Santa, or if you're also getting someone you're not sure what to get them, this is just the perfect mini set to get a beginner or really anyone. I love it, and I have a ton of nail polish. But if you guys want, I can go ahead and do a review on this. Let me know in the comments section down below, or thumbs up this video. All right, guys, let's get into the first mani. Number 1. To start off manicure number 1, you're going to apply 2 coats of any polish you would like to your nails. To create the present on your nail, you're going to take a nail striper and some polish and apply it to the right third of your nail vertically. Now create a horizontal line about a third away from the bottom of the tip of your nail. Taking a toothpick and some polish, place a dot in the center of the cross section. Use this dot as the starting point of your bow and create a oval shape that pinches back at the center point. Then do it to the other side. To create the end of the ribbon, you're going to take your dotting tool and create a curved line that forms a C when you do the other side of the nail. Here's what the finished manicure looks like. I love this blue color. I think it really reminds me of beautiful Christmas presents under your Christmas tree. I think this nail design is simple and elegant, and you can still show that you're into the holiday spirit. I hope you enjoyed manicure number 1. Let's move on to manicure number 2. Manicure number 2. To recreate manicure number 2, you're going to take 2 coats of any polish you would like and apply it to your nail. Next, taking a nail striper, you're going to create a horizontal line in the center of your nail and 2 vertical lines that start at the center and work to the tip of the nail. Now taking your nail brush, fill in the rectangle portion of your nail. Now taking a nail striper, create a cross in the center of your present by creating a vertical line in the center of your nail, and I find it's easiest if you do the horizontal line in 2 sections. I like the bow to be centered, so I go ahead and create 3 guiding dots. So the top dots are going to be where my bow is going to end, and the center dot is where my center of the bow starts. And I just create an oval by slowly creating 2 curved lines that meet in the center. And now to create the bottom portion of my bow, I'm just going to take my dotting tool and start in the center and work the ribbon outwards to create a C. Here's what the finished manicure looks like when you're all done and you apply a top coat. I love the way this manicure looks, and you can add different color presents to this manicure, or you can add it as an accent. It's really up to you, but if you recreate it, make sure you send me a picture. Let's move on to manicure number 3. Manicure number 3. To recreate manicure number 3, you're going to use a red polish and apply it to the tip of your nail. You don't have to be perfect here because we are going to go in and cover up the edge of that red tip. To create the present, you can either use a nail striper or a dotting tool. If you're a beginner, I recommend using a dotting tool, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Now create a triangle or a 90-degree angle at the tip of your nail that connects with the red tip. Go ahead and fill that portion in and allow it to dry. Now add the ribbon to your present by using a nail striper and creating a cross in the center of your present. Now to top off your present with a bow, using a bobby pin or a small dotting tool, create a heart shape to the top of the present. Now to create the top of the stocking, you're going to add large dots to the top of your red tip. Once this dries and you add a top coat, here's what the finished manicure looks like. I love this design, and I wore it actually a couple days ago, and I've gotten so many compliments. I hope you want to recreate manicure number 3. So, which manicure was your favorite? Manicure number 1, manicure number 2, or manicure number 3? Make sure to let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you want to continue to see videos like this one, let me know by leaving this video a thumbs up. And also let me know in the comments down below if you want to see the review on that polish set that I showed you earlier in the video. Now let's get into my favorite manicures from this week. Make sure to enter the contest by using the hashtag LNG Holiday Contest. I'll see you next week. Bye!